How to fix Start menu critical error. 1. Restart the Windows Explorer via WTM. 2. Sign out and back into your account, the Alt plus F4 hotkeys. 3. Re-register the Start menu. Run GitOps package Microsoft.Windows.Shell Experience host. For each ADOPS package, disable development mode, register $_install location, \apexmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 4. Run an SFC scan as administration. 5. Uninstall Dropbox. 6. Clean boot your Windows. 7. Uninstall third-party Start menu tools. 8. Switch your user profile.